Lenkonzo ibihanjelwe osombusazwe bamaqembu ehlukene. Usolwazi uBhengu waba ngomunye wabantu abasungula isikole esakhele kuyo le ndawo, iDlangezwa High School. Umndeni wakhe uthi kuwe insika emndenini.
Professor Bhengu was the only remaining patriarch now in our bigger family, with all our parents having passed on previously and being almost the second eldest. And so this is really almost for us quite an end of that generation because he was the last one remaining.
uBhengu waba ngungqongqoshe wezemfundo wokuqala ngaphansi kahulumeni wentando yabantu. Wabamba iqhaza ekutheni kuguqulwe isikhwama sokuxhasa abafundi iTEFSAS sibizwe ngeNSFAS. Iphini likaMengameli wezwe limchome uphaphe lwegwalagwala.
He oversaw the amalgamation of 17 fragmented education departments into a unified system and introduced Curriculum 2005 to reform the school curriculum.
Osombusazwe abebehambele lenkonzo bathi ke uma osombusazwe bengasiki iphethini kuBhengu lelizwe lingaba ngelingcono kakhulu.
If we just follow his example, this country will be a better country. All of us, across political parties, across religious, across all sectors.
uBhengu waganwa ngunkosikazi oyedwa uFuneka Bhengu babusiswa ngabantwana abane. Wedlule emhlabeni eseneminyaka engama-90. Ushonele emzini wakhe eMthunzini, KwaZulu-Natal.